Old Man River. Pops and I are going to a bike night tonight at Treasure Coast Harley. This may never see the light of day. It might suck. No idea. We'll find out. What do you think?
I think it's going to be great.
It's going to be great. So here we be, Treasure Coast Bike Night. We're real early, so. Did you like that ride, old man?
Yeah, it's nice.
Nice, isn't it?
Right,
For South Florida, it ain't bad. I mean, there's no turns, but you know, it's as good as it go get. But we took Beeline Highway is what that is, the whole way over. But there's, oh, you guys may not have all seen Senior Monkey's rims. Very slick. All pimpy. We got food. We got a band. We got a lot of bikes. What do they got? Real fun. We got a Popo Glide here. My affectionate term for a cop bike, a Popo Glide. There are a whole bunch of dressers, all different years. Anything real interesting? I don't see anything. I don't like old stuff. Ooh, look at this old Road King. An old Road Glide. That could be fun. We got flames, meaning that they... No, the whole body's got flames. Look at that. That's cool. That could be fun. No, it's a fuel-injected bike, yeah. So, early 2000s. That says right there, Ford injection, dumbass. We'll go inside. I got a cool inside here. So this is a used CVO Road Glide with 313 miles on it.
Let's do it. What's up, man? What's going on? How you been?
Do I need 2 CVO Road Glides? There's a markdown for you. Oh, it's 29, we're not 22. It's electric. Boogie, woogie, woogie. We need to have an intervention here on this one. What in the hell is going on? It's like Bob Ross, Mr. Happy Trees attacked the bike here. We got why? What is... I disapprove of that music also. If there's anything the old man loves, it's really loud music. Much less loud music, not done very well.
They haven't figured out that loud doesn't necessarily equate to good.
So, he's cranky. Before it gets too dark, I'm gonna show you some nice shit that just showed up. Say hi again. Isn't he happy? Just love that bike. We got a nice little shovel over here too. So there you go. That's nice. Also, for cheerleader beer, that ain't bad. It's Yingling Flight. For fat guy beer, it ain't bad at all. All right, we'll be back. Uno momento, por favor. So we had said our favorite bike was here. I think our favorite bike's here now.
I'm leaning on it.
Well, besides the tricycle. 50-something pan. Just
John, you didn't blow up the engine.
No, I'm blowing up that motor. That motor's holding on good.
So it's all right.
Yeah, it's doing good.
They had one up here that was converted to modern controls. This ain't it.
Give it up for Devil in the Red Dress. We've got our Diamond Detail, Harley-Davidson Detail, Cindy, as a pirate wings. Please give it up for your Diamond Detail.
Those ain't repops. That's the real deal.
Just one of them.
You know, look, each their own, you know, but this motherfucker's wearing a fur coat. Stick with me.
Oh yeah, that's happening. You're seeing it. Where's your fur coat when you go out to bike night? You know, all the cool kids wear a fur coat when they ride in South Florida.
There you have it, and there you are. Senior and junior monkey. Well, I'm senior, you know what I mean. That's it. Had a lot of fun. Good bike night.
Oh, here he comes with his pimpy wheels.
Take care of each other out there. We'll talk real soon. Bye.